The weather in Slidell, Louisiana, can be unpredictable, with intense heat in the summer, frequent rainfall, and the occasional storm. These conditions can have a significant impact on the integrity of your doors, which are essential for keeping your home secure and energy efficient. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or any other entryway, understanding how the local climate affects your doors is crucial for maintaining your home and knowing when to replace them. The impact of humidity on doors. One of the primary weather factors that affect doors in Slidell is the high humidity. Due to its coastal location, Slidell experiences a lot of moisture in the air, which can cause wood doors to swell, warp, or crack. Over time, this can affect the door's appearance, but more importantly, it can impact its functionality. A warped door may no longer close or seal properly, leading to drafts or security concerns. Wooden doors, in particular, are more vulnerable to moisture damage. When the humidity is high, wood absorbs the moisture, causing it to expand. Once the air becomes drier, the wood contracts, potentially leading to cracks and gaps. This not only compromises the door's aesthetic appeal but can also make it less energy efficient by allowing air to escape or enter, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. The effect of heat and UV rays. Summers in Slidell can be hot and sticky, with temperatures frequently reaching into the 90s. The intense heat and ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun can have a significant effect on your doors, especially if they're made of materials like fiberglass, wood, or metal. UV rays can cause materials to fade, crack, or degrade over time. For instance, wooden doors may lose their color, and their finishes may wear off, while fiberglass doors may become brittle and prone to damage. Heat can also cause materials to expand, which could lead to issues with door alignment. If your door becomes misaligned, it may become difficult to open or close properly, and in some cases, it might get stuck altogether. These problems can lead to unnecessary wear and tear on your door hardware, such as hinges and locks, which can be both inconvenient and costly to repair. Rain and flooding. Slidell is no stranger to heavy rain and flooding, especially during hurricane season. Water can seep into the edges of doors or even cause the door frame to warp. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to water damage. If your door doesn't have proper sealing, rainwater can easily get inside, leading to wood rot and mold growth. Mold is not just unsightly, it can also pose a health risk, affecting air quality in your home. Flooding can also cause significant damage to doors. If the water level is high enough, it may compromise the structural integrity of your doors and door frames. Even if the door appears intact after flooding, it's important to inspect it for hidden damage, such as swelling or wood rot, that could become a more serious issue over time. Signs it's time to replace your doors. If you've noticed any of the following signs in your doors, it may be time to consider replacement. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door is sticking or misaligned, it could be a sign that it's warping or swelling due to humidity or heat. Visible damage. Cracks, chips, or fading caused by UV rays, heat, or moisture can indicate that your door has been compromised. Energy loss. If your door doesn't close tightly or has visible gaps, It can lead to drafts, making your home less energy efficient. Mold or rot. If you see signs of mold growth or rot around your door, especially after a storm or flood, it's a clear indication that moisture has seeped into the material. Aesthetics. Sometimes, the weather simply takes its toll on the appearance of a door, and if it no longer matches the style of your home, a replacement can help improve your curb appeal. Conclusion. Weather conditions in Slidell, particularly the high humidity, heat, and frequent rainfall, can have a profound impact on your doors. By understanding how these factors affect the materials of your doors, you can take steps to preserve their longevity, such as applying weatherproofing treatments or installing storm doors for added protection. However, if your door shows signs of significant damage or inefficiency, replacing it may be the best option to maintain your home's safety, comfort, and appearance. Regular maintenance and timely replacements ensure that your doors remain functional and aesthetically pleasing despite the challenging weather conditions in Slidell.